Gordon left a cup of cold drink in the kitchen. He recorded the temperature of the drink over a period of time as shown below. The time is increasing. Temperature of the drink also seems to be increasing, right? Until it reached 30, then it stopped. Data for the temperature of the drink at 15 minutes is missing. Suggests a possible temperature. So anything between 13 to 20, okay? But since 15 is between 10 and 20, you find the temperature that's between 20 and 13 equally, okay? So the best answer is probably 16 or 17, okay? So you write down 16. That's quite an ugly one. So explain what caused the change in the temperature of the cold drink. What caused the change in the temperature of the cold drink? Why did it increase? The cold drink temperature increased because what? It gained heat, right? From where? The heat is gained from where? From the surrounding, okay? Surroundings. That's it. Based on information above, what was the likely temperature of the kitchen? You see it stopped at 30, right? It increased and then it stopped at 30. So most likely the temperature of the kitchen was at 30 degrees Celsius. Okay? Which is in a sense what we call equilibrium. Alright? Equal, everything equal already, so don't change anymore. 34. A dented table tennis ball can return to its original shape when placed into hot water. Charles had two identical table tennis balls that were similarly dented. He placed them into two basins of water separately, as shown in the diagram below. Basin A is at 90 degrees, also 200 milliliters. Basin B is at 70 degrees. So state which basin of water would cause the dented tennis ball to become round faster. Okay, faster definitely will be A, right? Because the temperature is higher. So which basin of water had more heat? Explain your answer. Okay, basin A had more heat. Okay, it is because the volume of water in both basins is the same, but the temperature in A is higher, so it has more heat. Okay, you can only say that something has more heat on the basis that the one that has more heat has a higher temperature than the other one, and both of them have the same volume. Same volume is very important, okay? If not, it's not fair to compare it. Explain why the dented ball could return to its original shape when it's placed into hot water. Why? It's because, when placed into the hot water, the air inside the ball gains heat and expands. It will push the walls back to the original shape. So basically, the heat, from the water will go to the ball, right? Go to the air inside the ball. Then the air will expand and push it out. Okay, it will push it all out. Then it will become a round ball again. Okay, clear all drawings. Take a pause if you want to write down. Samuel bought a chocolate bar which had fruits and nuts in it. He wanted to separate the fruits and nuts from the chocolate. He heated the whole chocolate bar in a pot until it melted. Identify the change of state that occurred when Samuel heated the chocolate bar. Okay, this one chocolate bar is what? Solid, right? Now I heat it up, become this kind of thing is what? What is this called? This is a liquid. So it's liquid, solid to liquid. Explain what caused the change of state identified in A to occur. What caused it to occur? The chocolate gained heat, okay, and reached its melting point, okay, very important. It reached its melting point, okay, so it turned into liquid from solid. Okay, you must talk about the melting point. That's why it started to melt. What? You reach the melting point, that's why it starts to melt. Okay, take a pause if you want to write. I'm gonna clear it. Question C. After removing the fruits and nuts, he left the chocolate in the pot to cool down. Draw arrows in the picture above to show the direction in which heat is flowing as the chocolate is cooled. Okay, the direction that heat is flowing, so it is clearly like this. Heat is dissipating, is being emitted, okay, leaving the pot, okay. That's why eventually it cools down. Question 36. Azil conducted an experiment on 3 materials, X, Y, and Z. They were of the same size and thickness. He heated the 3 materials and measured the time taken for them to reach the same temperature. Table shows his results. So arrange the materials from best to poorest conductor of heat. Okay, so you can see material X. Temperature at the start is 30, temperature at the end is 50. Okay, same as the other two. But the time taken for X is 50, time taken for Y is 80, time taken for Z is 35, which means what? For material Z, it took the shortest time to heat up, right? If you take the shortest time to heat up, it means that you are the best conductor of heat. So you have Z, Y, oh sorry, this is X, okay, and then you have Y. See, 35, followed by 50, followed by 80. Akil's father had just bought a cup of coffee but found it too hot to drink. He suggested by placing a metal spoon in the cup, it will help to cool the coffee down. Suggest how that will help to cool the coffee down. The metal spoon will gain heat from the cup of coffee. Okay? The coffee will lose heat and become cooler. One gains heat, one lost heat. That's the balance, right? If there were 3 spoons made of material XYZ as shown in the table above, identify the spoon that will cool the coffee down the fastest. Which one will cool the coffee down the fastest? You want the best conductor, right? Which is none other than Z. Okay? Answer is Z. Study the flowchart below. State one similarity between object Q and object R. Q and R. The similarity is both of them do not give off light, right? Why? Because in a sense they are like descendants, they are like descendants of this question. No. Both of them are no. Okay, then you differentiate them further, okay, or in a sense separate them by asking another question, which is this one. Okay, so the only similarity is they do not give off light.